Here we are at the Nicholas Roerich House, where Roerich lived 1926, 1927 with his wife Helena and son George, and busy trying to restore and rebuild it. Here we have Bat George, our great project manager and former director of the National Museum and designer of something like 150 museums across the country. Oh God. I want you to get a picture of Canada. Oh, hold on. All right. Hold on. Canada.
And so they are very happy too, and then they want to, they're gonna try to do their best and good quality.
Thank you very much for doing this so quickly. I know it was not easy.
She is also great, thankful that that you and the supporting, helping out to restore this historical spot.
Well, it's my pleasure and honor.
Yes.
This wall had become, of all the parts of the building, this wall was the most damaged over the years of neglect, and so pretty well the whole side of the north side of the building has to be replaced. But we had great good fortune in that we met a crew with some experience of working with the old Buryatia homes, and so has come to our rescue. We shot a little bit yesterday when they were just cutting down the wall, so today we have them with most of the western section of the north wall, all of it down and most of it put back up. But the minute I saw her when she walked out, I knew that it would be very good connection that it was.
I
told this George at that time, and that George, I told them in Buddhism you get kind of signs that something is going to be very perfect. And then they both laughed and they said, "You're just saying that because she's beautiful." And I said, "No, she is beautiful, yes, but not because of that, because everything in the moment."
Миний ажил цаашдаа хийнэр ихтэй сайхан хүчээ холно гэж дотроо сэтгэл өндөр байгаа. Энэ он гараад одоо энэ хөл жилийн миний хамгийн ихний ажил байгаа. Их сэтгэл өндөр баяртай байгаа.
And she's very happy, and she hopes that because this work is the first work of the year of this year, and she hopes a good future.
I'm sure, yes, it will be very successful.
Oh,